Assalamu alaikum 5 class. This is your lecture number 21st. We are going to discuss a topic order of operations. Okay. We now know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide using very big numbers. We very know that we very know and understood in previous lecture how to add, subtract, multiply very big numbers. Okay, but so far we have been doing only one of these four operations in one problem. One of these operations in one problem. For example, like that. Here the example is sometime we use two or more of four operation in a sum. Look at the example like that. 9 minus 6 divided by 3 multiply with 2 plus 1 is equal to, what is the answer? Okay, so here we have four different operations: subtraction, division, multiplication and addition in a single problem. But now thing is that what operation we should prefer to be solved, to be done first. हम किसको पहले सॉल्व करेंगे? डिवीजन को, सब्ट्रैक्शन को, मल्टीप्लिकेशन को, किसको? वी नीड टू कैरी आउट ऑल फोर ऑपरेशन. We need to carry out all four operations to solve this problem. We have definitely done all these operations to be getting an answer. But in what order we should proceed? Proceed? Let us what happened when we solve this in three ways. Okay, we have solved this problem in three ways like that. We have do in subtraction first. 9 minus 6 3 divided next 3. The answer comes, then multiply, then add, so our answer is 3. In solution 2 we have performed the addition first, then multiplication, then division and then subtraction. In section solution 3 we have divide first, multiply second, subtract third and add first. Answer is different. In every solution the answer is different, but we have need what is the correct we have need to know what is the correct answer, what is the correct sequence to solve that kind of problems. Okay, so we have to solving that kind of solution we have our rule, BODMAS rule. What is BODMAS rule? So see what is the BODMAS rule. Let's see. So see student, for the problem 9 minus 6 plus 3 plus, multiply 2 plus 1, we got three different answers. From this we can see how important is to carry out the four operation in the correct order. Okay, so now what is the order to solving the that kind of sum? Okay, in math it has become the rule or a convention to carry out the four operation in that order. Mean this is a word DMAS. The complete word is BODMAS. Complete word is BODMAS. Okay, but here given is for short form in DMAS. Okay, D mean division first, M mean multiplication second, A mean addition third, S mean subtraction last. Okay, DMAS for short. This rule or convention makes it simpler for us to solve such problems. DMAS for short. Okay, this rule or a convention make it simpler for us to solve such problems. We call it simplification rule. To remember, DMAS says do musicians always sing. To remember, DMAS say do musicians always sing. Okay, to remember that. Okay, इसको easily remember करने के लिए ये एक term याद कर लें, do musicians always sing. BODMAS rule. In fact, this is a complete word is BODMAS rule. So what is the BODMAS? Let's see. So student, BODMAS is, here the B belongs to brackets, O belongs to O, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Okay, so if you have any expression which has multiple operations to be done, then you have to prioritize the operation in that order. If you have multiple operations to be done in expression, then you have to prioritize the operations in that order. Means you have to solve first brackets, then you have O mean of, second division, then third multiplication, then addition, and on last you will perform the operation of subtraction. Okay, you should follow that order of the operations. Okay, that follow the operations in that order. Perform first brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So see with the example, we should take same example like that, the example given in the book. Right, so student, example is 9 minus 6 plus 3 multiplied 2 plus 1. There is no bracket in this given term, so you should start the operation from that position, means division. You should follow the for these words, mean firstly we perform the division, then perform the multiplication, then perform the addition, and then perform on the last the subtraction. Because there is no bracket, so you should follow the operation sequence from that position, mean division process. Okay, so here where is the division between this is the division, sorry, this is the division, mean division is between these two terms. I will write again, 9 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied 2 plus 1, division lying between these two terms. So you should solve this part first. Okay, mean 6 divided by 3. What is the answer? 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. What is the answer? What is the quotient is 2. So write 2 in the place of that operation when you have to. Okay, so put 2 in the place of that when you have when you are perform the operation. 9 minus 2, multiplication sign same, and then 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is our next term. So what is the next operation in the given sequence? Is multiplication. We have to perform the multiplication. Okay, so where is the multiplication? Between these two terms. These two terms have the multiplication sign between them, so solve these two terms. Mean 2 multiply with 2, 2 multiply with 2. What is the answer? Is 4. 2 2s are 4, so write 2 in the place of that. 9 minus 4 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so what is the next operation to be performed? Addition. What is the next operation? Addition. So where will the addition is? Between these two terms, mean 4 plus 1. So you have to solve this part. 4 plus 1. What is the answer? 5. Okay, 9 minus 5. Then the single operation is remaining in this that term is the subtraction. So you should perform the subtraction, obviously. 9 minus, you should perform subtraction. 9 minus 5 becomes 4. This is your 9 minus 5 becomes 4. So our answer is 4. After performing the correct order of the operation, you should get the answer 4. Okay, so remember that in every question in which the multiple operations is to be given to be done, just follow these steps, these operations order. Okay, firstly you have to solve brackets, then solve the division, then solve multiplication, then solve addition, and then solve the subtraction. Okay, this is the correct order of the operation to be performed in such type of expressions. Okay, so now we have moved to the exercise. So see student, exercise 1D, first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so our first part A is 5 multiply 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Okay, so what is the answer? So same follow the board math rule. Same follow the board math rule. Board math rule. Okay, so board math rule tells us first solve the brackets part, even though in the bracket has the multiplication, division, or such type of operations, but you have to solve the brackets part first. Bracket पास first. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर multiplication का साइन है लेकिन यहाँ पे subtraction है, but you have to solve the bracket part first. Okay, now solve 5 multiply 9 minus 2. What is the answer? 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Answer is 7. So write 7 here. Then you skip the brackets. Okay, 5 multiplied by 7. So what is the answer? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. This is our final answer. So write here 35. Okay, I will write 35. So in second part, you have to solve this bracket part first according to the BODMAS rule, and then perform the multiplication operation and fill in the blanks. So complete the first question, just very easy simple question to fill in the blank. Just follow the BODMAS rule and complete the first question of exercise 1D. Okay, thank you. This is your lecture. Hopefully you understood very well.